Some people believe that the era of personal computers has come to an end, while others believe that cell phones, due to the ergonomic characteristics they lack, will never be able to satisfy the requirements that are placed on them by the typical employee. This conflict has been going on for a number of years, and it is still unclear what the end will be. After each passing season, a new wave of flagships is introduced, and each one of them is more powerful than the one that came before it in terms of overall capability. Even for more experienced users, practically any job-related activity may be accomplished with nothing more than a smartphone. We also can't ignore the fact that the production and distribution of computers have seen a minor decrease. This is something that simply can't be ignored. On the other side, despite the fact that many enjoy portability, they lament the lack of large screens and a complete keyboard. Comparing a smartphone to a laptop. As was just noted, the capability of modern cell phones has increased to the point that it is not unreasonable to think that they may one day take the place of PCs. Because of their reduced size, you can easily stow them away in your pocket and take them with you everywhere you go. It is always possible to check your email on your smartphone in the event that you are away from your laptop or desktop computer, and someone sends you an email while you are not there. You might also go shopping for birthday presents for your wife while you wait for your appointment at the doctor's office. Your alternatives are unlimited. But what is it about smartphones that make them so desirable, and what other advantages do they provide? 1. Crises at work. To be able to work on job-related emergencies, you do not always need to have your computer with you. Simply link your mobile device to the nearby television and start working in Google Docs. 2. A longer battery life. When compared to laptops and personal computers, smartphones often have a longer battery life, which enables users to complete a greater amount of work without needing to charge their devices. 3. Increased safety. Android and iOS devices are well known for the built-in security protections that make them safer than desktops and laptops against malicious software and viruses. 4. Improved technology. In response to the growing demand for their products, manufacturers of smartphones have begun creating new technologies. For example, we may now utilize a single device as both a computer and a personal computer PC by plugging it into a computer, and doing so simultaneously. On the other hand, desktop computers and laptops both have certain appealing benefits to offer, including the following. 1. Additional software. Let's say you need to finish a project with the assistance of a specific application, but you might not be able to use your smartphone because it lacks certain features. In this scenario, additional software would be helpful. It is safe to state that you are able to work with more comprehensive business software on laptops or desktop computers, as well as manage your files more effectively, use tools to edit photos and videos, and edit media assets. 2. Better alternatives for inputting data. Whereas you need to connect your iPad or tablet to a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse in order to use them, desktop computers and laptops come equipped with these input devices by default. 3. A greater capacity for storage. The storage space available on smartphones is somewhat constrained, in contrast to the space available on desktop computers and laptops. When we consider all of these disparities, it's difficult to imagine smartphones ever replacing desktop computers. Is a desktop computer or laptop computer really necessary when you have a smartphone? These days, cell phones have the appearance of being able to perform any task, but that does not mean that we should abandon the use of computers. But we can't deny that smartphones have the potential to make a number of our other electronic devices obsolete. You don't need a GPS gadget because you already have one on your phone. You don't need a professional camera because every smartphone has one. For example, you don't need a GPS device because you already have one on your phone. There are still some things that we can only accomplish on a computer, but the majority of those activities are now available on our phones. Sending emails, listening to music, going on social media, paying bills, browsing the web, shopping online, reading books, watching movies, and doing many other things are all activities that may be done online. Computers, on the other hand, are capable of running multiple programs concurrently and have screens that are significantly larger. A laptop makes it simpler to complete a variety of tasks, including the editing of photographs and videos, the operation of more complex software, the creation of new websites, and other similar activities. Taking this into consideration, we might reach the conclusion that PCs can be partially replaced by smartphones, but not fully. Things that can't be done with cell phones. There must be some compelling advantages to using a computer that keep many people hooked. On a smartphone, for instance, you won't be able to access programs or play games designed for personal computers. In addition, although some programs, like Photoshop, are available as smartphone apps, you might find it more convenient to utilize a computer for more in-depth video or photo editing. If you are in the writing business, you won't be able to write a book on a smartphone. Likewise, if you are in the business of creating 3D animations, you won't be able to render scenes on your phone. You can write code on any editor since typical coding languages like JavaScript, PHP, and HTML are made up of plain text. However, just because you can write code on a smartphone does not indicate that you should use a smartphone to create a website. Comparison of an application hosted on the web versus one hosted on a desktop. Desktop programs have been utilized by each of us in one form or another. Desktop applications such as Apple's Safari, Adobe Photoshop, and Microsoft Word are just a few examples of some of the most widely used software today. Web applications represent a new choice that has become available over the course of the past 10 years. In this scenario, there is no need to download anything because the web browser already contains all of the necessary software installed on its own server. Now that we've established that, let's look at whether one choice is superior to another, as well as how a web app is distinct from a desktop application. Applications for the desktop. 1. The ability to work without an active internet connection. For instance, after installing Microsoft Office, you will no longer require a connection to the internet in order to use it. Similar processes can be found in a great number of other programs. 2. Increased safety. As we discussed earlier, desktop applications have the ability to run without an active internet connection. This means that if you are working on something private or sensitive, you can turn off your internet connection and never have to worry about being exposed to potential dangers again. When you use web apps, you leave yourself vulnerable to the dangers that lurk on the internet. 3. The speed of your computer affects the performance of desktop applications. This means that even if you have a lightning-fast internet connection, the performance of your desktop applications will still be affected by the speed of your computer. They rely primarily on the capacity of the processing unit and the memory. 4. In the long term, desktop applications offer better value for the money spent. The upfront cost of purchasing a desktop application is typically higher than the cost of a subscription or a web application. The majority of the time, you will be required to purchase software that is valid for a lifetime. 5. You can still use the program even if you have an earlier version of it. Even if you have an older version of the software, you can still use it on modern computers and new operating systems. Applications for the web. 1. Only one installation is required. In contrast to desktop applications, web apps only require one installation before they can be used. This is in contrast to desktop applications, which require multiple installations before they can be used. 2. Web applications are more cost-effective than desktop programs since they use a subscription-based pricing model. This makes web applications more